Good morning, world. The company Top Lingo with you and Ielts vocabulary. If you're planning to take Ielts, this will be very helpful for you. So, top 10 vocabulary for education used in Ielts. Number 1, curriculum.
Curriculum. A curriculum is the overall plan of what will be taught and learned in a course or program.
For example, our school's math curriculum includes algebra, geometry, and basic statistics.
Number 2, tuition.
Tuition. Tuition means the money you pay for education or lessons.
For example, the tuition for my English course is $200 per month.
Number 3, scholarship.
Scholarship. Money given to a student to help pay for their studies, usually because of good grades or special talent.
For example, she won a scholarship to study at the university.
Number 4, literacy.
Literacy. The ability to read and write.
For example, literacy rates have improved in many countries.
Number 5, diploma.
Diploma. An official document showing you have completed a course of study.
For example, he received his diploma after graduating from high school.
Number 6, graduate.
Graduate. A person who has finished a course of study and received a degree or diploma.
For example, she is a college graduate with a degree in engineering.
Number 7, academic.
Academic. Related to education, schools, or learning.
For example, he has strong academic skills in science and math.
Number 8, attendance.
Attendance. The act of being present at a place, especially at school or an event.
For example, good attendance is important for learning.
Number 9, enrolment.
Enrolment. The process of signing up or being registered for a school, course, or program.
For example, enrollment for the summer classes starts next week.
And number 10, assignment.
Assignment. A task or piece of work given to someone, especially by a teacher.
For example, our homework assignment is to write a short story.
I hope this vocabulary is useful for you and will be always useful. Please subscribe and hit the button. Also, we need your likes.